Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been posting. This guy doesn't want to start, so I'll try to start him. But let's see if he wants to start. I got my gloves, got my helmet. So I took my glove off. It's hard to do this. So when we want to turn the engine. Nothing. It's not wanting to start or nothing. So we'll see if we can do it real quick. So it's wanting to start right here, which that's what we wanted it to do. But bad part is it's not starting. That's the bad part. Let's see if we can do it. It wants to start. It started a second. Maybe I create a video on it. I don't know. Chain. It's not wanting to start for some reason, so we'll find out. That's wanting to start. So when we start, find out. I have a feeling that it's gonna explode. Key. Ignition, turn key. I'm gonna kill the engine. Please start. Let's move it. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna try to figure this out.